Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Are you looking for an e-commerce platform to set up an online store in just a few hours? In this video we are going to discuss the best online store platform so you can find the perfect fit for you businesses need and get everything set up as fast as possible. I will be reviewing Shopify, BigCommerce and Magneto to see which feature they offer and the value they can provide your businesses. Also, if at any point throughout this video you want to check out Shopify for yourself, I have got a discount link in the description below that will help you get a deal for $1 per month for the first 3 months along with a 3-day free trial. You will not find this by going directly to their website, so be sure to check that out. Before we started reviewing the e-commerce platform, there are certain features that you do not want to miss out on. For example, ease of use, built-in payment processing, inventory management, dropshipping, and SSL security are all features you should look out for when choosing a platform. First on our list in Shopify, a well-established platform in the e-commerce industry now for its feature and ease of creating online store. Even if you have never set up a website before, you can easily create one with Shopify with their user-friendly interface. Building an online store has never been easier. You can add product, customize theme, connect your domain, set up a payment method and configure shipping process with just a few clicks. Let's take a look at the design and feature of BigCommerce. You will have the option of using 100 themes from the library with 53 design to pick from. For inventory management, you can add product in bulk at a time and there no cap on the number of product you can add. If you are looking to track your storage, you will have an analytic report that will help you keep track of all the product you sell. From payment processing, BigCommerce um, offer 65 payment integration. However, unlike Shopify, BigCommerce does not have its own payment gateway, so you will need to really own third-party integration. BigCommerce also allow you to create a coupon code, cart level discounted, and automatic discount. Moving on to shipping feature, they provide options such as free shipping, ship by weight, flat rate shipping, etc. They even offer their own shipping services in addition to other shipping apps like ShipStation and Shipper HQ. If you are local business, you can offer pickup as well. Finally, let's discuss Magneto. Magneto is an open source platform that offer extensive customization option, giving you a lot of flexibility. However, you will need coding knowledge to set up and manage your e-commerce store. If you are new to coding, this option might not be suitable for you. Magneto does offer great payment gateway like PayPal and AuthorizeNet. Along with the bunch of payment extension via Magneto Connect, you can also try out one-click payment and guest checkout. For inventory management, you can add product price and description as you go. When it's come to shipping, Magneto offer free shipping, mixed rate shipping, and even buy one get one free discounted. They also let you calculate tax for product being shipped to other countries. Magneto provides SSL certificate and some option of for theme customization, but the number of three themes is limited. The rest come at a price, and customizing theme require technical knowledge and coding expertise.